everyone, let's draw a turkey today. So I had kind of looked at some different styles of turkeys we could draw, and getting started, we're going to write our name, and then we're going to start by drawing its body. I'm going to go probably about 2/3 of the way down and go make like an upside down U shape, and then kind of like a bowling pin like body. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to put in a kind of triangle beak and a little bit of that gobbler. Then I'm going to put in my eyes. And then I'm going to put in some feathers. I'm going to start behind my bird's body, and I'm going to kind of put in some feathers that are going to start to come around. And I'm going to balance them by putting one on each side. Could put on my little, oops. Now, you could put in some side kind of wings, and you could put in some feet. You could add some decorations in the background or even a horizon line. But that's kind of drawing a simple turkey. So, if you want, then you could go back and you could add some more details by tracing. You could also add some more details in your actual feathers, such as zigzags. Or you could put in stuff like lines. And that will add a little bit more decoration to your actual turkey. This one I'm kind of matching that outside curve. Nice. So there's getting started. Now, if you wanted to make this a little smaller, you could make it on a card. Like I said, you could go back and you could trace your details. And then you could add some color. Sometimes when you start tracing, you also notice things like, it might be kind of cute to make on these wings too, a little bit of the design. So sometimes I'll definitely go back and add to my bird. So I hope you enjoyed drawing a turkey with my lesson today.